Hey guys, in this video we'll be talking about Tkinter. So first we have to understand that what is Tkinter and why do we use it. Well, Tkinter is a Python module which is used for developing GUI applications. There are more such modules in Python like PyQt, Pygame, Kiwi, PyForms, PyGObject and many more. So the question is, why are we using Tkinter? Well, Tkinter is the easiest among these to learn and implement. So instead of diving deep into Tkinter theoretical part, we'll learn it with codes. So in this session, we'll be focusing on how to create windows, labels, buttons, checkboxes, frames, and taking input from the user. I'm going to open my IDLE. So first, what we have to do is we have to import Tkinter. So from Tkinter import asterisk. Here asterisk means everything. Now window is equals to tk. Here with the help of tk class we can create windows. Window dot new loop. Now I'm going to save it as Tkinter. And here we can see that a window has been created. Now what if you want to add a title to a window? So we can use title method to add title to a window. Now I'm going to name it here GUI. I'm going to run this and we can see that our window is renamed as GUI. Now what if we want to resize the window? So we have a method named geometry. With the help of geometry method, we can reshape or resize our window. So I'm going to use geometry method and I'm going to give the width as 400 and height as 400. I'm going to run this and we can see that our window is reshaped. And now we will see how we can create levels. So there are some important parameters which we can pass with levels, and now we are going to see that what are these parameters. So labels, the first is text, which is used for adding text. The second one is I'm going to comment these. The second one is BG, which is used for setting background color. The third one is FG, which is used for setting foreground color. Other one is font. With the help of this font, we can select our own font or we can resize the font. So it is used for setting the font. The next one is relief, and relief is used for styling borders. We can style a borders with the help of this relief parameter. Border styling, and for this we have three options: sunken, raised, groove and ridge. Now I'm going to create a label. L1 is equals to level window. I'm going to pass the text as code with Jerry. I'm going to set the background color as white, the foreground color as black, and the font Arial bold and size is as 12. Now I'm going to pack it. Now what this pack function does is this pack is a geometry manager which is used for arranging widgets on the screen and managing the display of widgets on the screen. And now I'm going to run this code, and here we can see that the level is displayed on the window. Instead of pack, we can also use grid. Now what grid does is it is used for tabular alignment of our widgets. So here I'm setting the row as 0 and column equals to 1. And now we can see that the alignment of our level has shifted towards the left. Now we will see that how we can create button with the help of button widget. The buttons can be created and added to the window same as that we had done with labels. So here I'm going to create a button named bt1 equals to button which is placed inside the window, and I'm going to name it as enter. I'm going to red row is equals to 1, column is equals to 0. I'm going to run this, and here we can see that our enter button is created. DFG and BG parameters can be used with the button widgets too, and here I'm going to use the foreground color as black and the background color as gray. I'm going to run this, and actually it was the default values. I'm going to change it as orange, and here we can see that the foreground color of our button has been changed to orange. Now what if we want to perform some specific task whenever the button is clicked? So let's add some button click events. So first we will write the function that we want to execute when the button is clicked. So I'm going to define a function named clicked, and whenever the button is clicked it is going to print hello there, and I'm going to pass command as clicked. One thing which you have to remember that you don't have to use parenthesis here. Now I'm going to run this, and here we can see that on clicking on the enter button, hello there is printed. So in this way we can perform some specific task whenever the button is clicked. Now what if we have to take input from users? For this we have to use entry widgets. Now entry widget is simply used for creating input fields in the GUI. So here I'm creating an entry widget to name it as user name 0 column 0 level 2 is equals to level red row is equals to 1 column equals to 0 even is equals to entry. Now here I'm creating the entry widget window even dot grid row equals to 0 and column equals to 1 e2 equals to entry window e2 dot grid row equals to 1 and column equals to 1. Now I'm going to run this, and here we can see that two entry widgets has been created. The first is username and the second is password. You can pass Jerry, password, anything. Now what if we want to store whatever has been written in the entry widget? For this we can use get method. Now here I'm going to create a button and set window name is enter and command equals to click and I'm red row equals to 2 and column equals to 1. I'm going to define a method name click and it will print even dot get and e2 dot get. I'm going to run this, passing the username as Cherry, password as Sing, and here we can see that on clicking the enter button it is printing whatever is written in the enter widget. Now we will see what are frames and what are they used for. Suppose you have a step that is a large part of land and you want to sell it. Now it will be difficult to sell it as a whole. So what we generally do is plotting, that is dividing the land into smaller plots. The same is here with frames too. Sometimes we are going to use the window by dividing it into smaller parts, and these divided parts are known as frames. So now we are going to see that how we can create our own frame. We will use the frame class to create our own frames. So here I'm creating a frame in the window F1. Now here I'm creating two frames. The first one is F1 and the second one is F2. What I'm going to do is assigning the level 1 in the frame 1, level 2 into frame 2, and now I'm going to run this. And the problem here is I forgot to use the pack and f2 dot pack. And here we can see that we have divided our window into two frames, and here I'm going to use side equals to left and side equals to right, so that now what I'm going to do is I'm crossing the F1 function F5. Here we can see that we have divided the window into two parts. The first one is the username part and the second one is password part. By using these simple widgets, we can create many small GUI applications. I'll show you one which I have created by using the simple widgets. I've created a plotter with the help of which we can plot some machine learning plots by using Seaborn library. And now I'm going to run this. I'm going to enter the data on which I want to work. I want to plot a regression plot. Now it is asking me that did I want to use a hue? Yes. Now I'm going to pass the column, and the hue column will be the sex column. And we can see that here our graph has been plotted. Now what if I want to create a pair plot? Here we can see that it has created a pair plot. So in this way, we can create many such GUI applications by using Tkinter. This is all for this video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please do like and comment. Thank you.